Always good to see everybody come together and help out like that too, for sure. The good news is for us here in South Florida and well, most of the country here, all of the country, we don't look at any big tropical impacts here through the holiday weekend. We do have a big, it's going to be a massive storm out in the Atlantic, but it doesn't look like it's going to bother anybody, possibly Bermuda. But other than that, it looks like it'll stay a fish storm. Right now, we're going to have to worry about our own local storms here each afternoon. This morning, we are quiet. We have an offshore flow, generally west to east, and that means our mornings are quiet. Our afternoons are thunderstorms rocking and rolling out there. Temperatures are pleasant too, into the mid-70s. Without the wind off the warm waters, we at least can cool down a little bit. 90s for a high today. Do expect that to be stopped by the thunderstorms in the afternoon with the cooler air coming out of the thunderstorms again. Should be a pleasant evening once we get rid of those. So I think the latter part of the day and then the earlier part of the evening, that's when the focus for thunderstorms will be, and then clearing overnight with lows back down into the mid-70s. Watch Vipercast. So not a lot even through the morning hours and even lunchtime. So this is the middle afternoon. Then everything piles up here and we see the big blow up of showers and storms still hanging on around 7, 8 o'clock. So around sunset time. And then after that, things quiet down just after sunset. We'll go back to fair skies. So high rain chance the next couple of days, but in that same pattern where we don't have it all day. It's just going to be mid-late afternoon, early evening, and then gone. And we're going to do that through the holiday weekend. So holiday plans, keep that in mind. Here's that big hurricane we're talking about. Larry is just going to be massive out here, and a Cat 4 too. And it does look like it's going to recurve rather quickly. All the models coming in line good too. Here's Bermuda, so it does stay to the east of Bermuda here. Any little deviation though could put them in danger. But for most part, the whole U.S. will be clear of this one, thank goodness, because it will be a big one. Boating and beach forecast looking great. A little swell coming on Sunday. Keep that in mind. And then the swell from Larry coming mid next week or so. So still a while till that. Highs in the low 90s here through the holiday weekend. Lows in the mid 70s. Those rain chances, again, mainly confined to the afternoon, early evening.